Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. What do I carry in my cordage kit that the average bushcrafter does not? What has my years of experience taught me? This. I've spoken of this a couple of times, but I'm serious. It's one of the most useful things I carry in my kit, and that is just thin bank line turned into a set of jungle knots. This is about 6, 7, 8 feet long, something like that. And all it is simply thin bank line. It's had a knot tied, pull down, done an overhand knot, pull down a length, do an overhand knot. That's it. And it makes these openings between the two. But with a couple of sticks, I can come up to a tree like this, pass it through itself, stick a stick in that hole that I've just created, just like that, pull it up tight, go to another tree, now twist it a few times, pull a loop through, and I'm going to put a stick through that hole. Just like that. And that will hold it. Now that I've got a clothesline up, we've been out, in the summer heat, and our clothes just got sodden. Sopping wet with sweat. We want to rinse them off, try to clean them up. I'm changing into dry clothes, and I have a ready water source handy by. I'm going to take these and dunk them a little bit, wring them out, and get a lot of the salt and stuff out of it. Now I'm going to hang it up and try to dry it through the night. By doing it this way, I can spread apart what I just twisted up and put a corner in, come down a little further, grab another piece, open it up. Getting your thumbnails into it's the hard part. There we go. Pull that side in, just like that. Now taking a sleeve, come up right here, opening it up, sticking it up in there, and over here, same thing. Taking a sleeve, taking the thumbnail, dividing it apart. I promise I will get it. There we go. No clothespins needed. Now I can let this air dry. Another advantage of putting one of these up in camp is something like a canteen cup or something like this. I can take that handle and pass it through the material itself. I could hook it over, but that's probably going to fall off in the first little breeze. But I can at the same time grab, untwist, slide that handle through like that, and it'll be there. It'll grip the thing and keep it from sliding off easy. It's a simple little nothing. And that simple little nothing is such a force multiplier in camp. None of the bushcrafters that I'm currently following have talked about using jungle knots. Jungle knots are one of it's just super simple to make, and it has 1,000,001 uses. You put it up next to your camp so you can hang your spoons and pots and pans off of the thing. You take one and put it up like this for use as a clothesline. You take it down, put it down low, and start sticking limbs and stuff in it and make a blind in front of you so that you got to hide to watch game or something like that. Super simple, super easy to take down when you're done, and nothing there is going to hurt anything. Really easy. So, notice I'm doing this without my glasses. Like he's using the force. That simple, that quick. A little bitty nothing that will wad up incredibly small and has so many uses. As a blind, as a clothesline, as a tool hanger, as something for me to hook other gear to, as something to go around the pack and pull tight and jam a stick between two knots and have a cinch strap. All of it out of something that small. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you have, please hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.